Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome to Discover Tens. As we all know, oxygen is necessary for survival of all life. In atmosphere, the concentration of nitrogen is 78%, where all other gases are merely just 1%. And all of them, oxygen is 21%. Humans, animals, plants, and all other organisms are all alive and stable due to these very gases, and especially oxygen. Because if concentration of oxygen loses this very balance, then it will be difficult for these very organisms to survive. Because 90% of our body's energy is formed through oxygen, while merely 10% is obtained through food and water. As humans normally breathe 960 times per hour and 23,000 times a day, from which we can easily estimate how necessary oxygen is for all of us. But still, why is that concentration of oxygen is lower than that of nitrogen in the atmosphere? Because oxygen is more important, right? But question is, what will happen if amount of oxygen is increased or doubled? Do you know, by increasing concentration of oxygen twofold, insects will change into big monsters. Humans will achieve superpowers. And if fire sets off once, then it won't be extinguished easily. So imagine Australian fires in doubled oxygen concentration as we have now. But how will this happen? To know more facts and figures, stay with us till the end of the video. Now suppose the number of plants, trees, and algae, which are an important source of oxygen for all of us, increase too much. An amount of oxygen from 21% doubles to 42% overnight. You know what will happen? You will start feeling changes in your body, like superheroes does. Stuff, because on performing tiresome chores, your body won't get exhausted. And when a lot of oxygen will reach brain, our brain will become super active. And decision making will be fast. It's just like our body got some superpower. But wait. Before you go into any imaginations, there's another side of it too. Because with the increase in oxygen in our body, the chances of cancer and heart diseases will increase as well. Because free radicals are formed inside body of human beings through molecules. These free radicals are too dangerous and are cause of many life-threatening diseases. They can even damage human DNA. By increasing oxygen, number of free radicals in the body increase. And obviously, you won't pay this amount to attain superpowers. Small insects inhale through small tubes called tracheas. According to scientists, if more oxygen passes through their tubes, then insects, like spider and cockroaches, will increase in size enormously. Just like millions of years back, when concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere was 30%. These insects used to be very large in size. And the same was with birds. Imagine if these insects start to grow in same size again. How much destruction they can cause on Earth. Most importantly, people who get panic attacks after spotting insects, what will happen to them when they witness the same insects about the size of horses and cats? Just imagine. We all know, to set fire on Earth, we need a combustible material along with O2. On an increasing concentration of oxygen, fire will spread so rapidly that controlling it will be a very much impossible task. But don't you worry. The oxygen present in our atmosphere is still 21%, which is perfect for human beings to breathe. But due to cutting of trees, the amount of oxygen in atmosphere is rapidly decreasing in atmosphere. And we know increasing and decreasing both cause effects. Because if we see data, this much terrifying fire has never set out in jungles before as it is doing now. Look at Amazon, look at Australian wildfires. So, to fulfill this damage, we have to plant more trees on Earth, to reduce the harm done, to reduce the pollution, and increase the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. Till now you must have understood, if an abstract element like oxygen is not present, then our body is almost shut down. And by changing the percentage of only one gas, all the system of Earth can collapse. But God has set a specific amount of it so humans and living things could survive. And that's why, after discovery of millions of planets, the environment of not even one of them is suitable for humans to breathe perfectly. That's why Allah says in Quran, "Soon we shall show them our signs in the entire world and in their own selves, till it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. Is it not sufficient that your Lord is witness over all things?" Guys, presence of oxygen in our body in this amount is evidence enough that what is the purpose of this very verse. You know it, I know it. I hope you would have learned something from this new video today. If you find this video informative, like our video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe our channel, and make sure to press bell icon to get notifications about our new videos. See you around. Thank you very much.